Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
He looks so small. You're so small, Jack.
Come on, come here.
Come here.
Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven.
Good morning, everyone. It is Vlogmas day 14, which is insane. 2 weeks in. 2 weeks of vlogging every day.
Wow.
Not too shabby. 11 days till Christmas. Today is a festive day. We're starting the day with a festive spin class. Just a regular spin class in December. We've got, as we were saying yesterday, we've got a new instructor today, so we're gonna go try her class out. And then we are going up to London to go Christmas shopping. That's today's plan. Next time you see us, we'll be a lot redder and sweatier than we are right now. See you after spin. We did it! It was a new instructor today. Well, she's not new, but new to us. Stacey, and I loved her. She reminded us so much of our friend's girlfriend. Well, she reminded me so much, which was just making me laugh the whole way through because the way she spoke was exactly the same. So I just felt like she was yelling at me. And we did light weights as well, whereas Grace doesn't. She just does like lower body. Stacey incorporated like little 2 kilo weights, and it actually really burned. My lats were burning.
Yeah, it was real tough.
Yeah, and my shoulders.
Because you got because you're spinning on the back as well. You're like engaging your back as well, so you're like, it's like really, it feels really different. Yeah, yeah.
I much preferred doing a little bit of upper body as well. Did I stop my workout? No, I didn't. And yeah, I feel good. I really enjoyed that. The music wasn't working, so because she left her phone at home, so she was like apologising because the music was so low beat. It was all good. I hate banana cream. I want my chocolate hazel now. I've got to go home, I've got to edit the vlog, shower, get ready, and then we're gonna go to London and go Christmas shopping. Hooray! Hey guys, I'm halfway through yesterday's vlog and obviously I've showered. It is horrible outside. It is blowing a hoolie and it's pissing down with rain and it's cold and we may not go to London.
Oh no.
Oh no, we may bail. We could do some scrapbooking and we're going out to the pub tonight with our friend Ali, who we haven't seen since Hong Kong because he was living in China last year. But yeah, we may, sorry guys, we may not go to London. Because I don't know whether I can face this weather, and it's a Saturday. It's gonna be really busy. I don't know. Oh, I need to get this vlog edited first, so we might still go. But I thought I would manage your expectations.
Hot water.
No. Goodbye, asparagus. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, mine looks so sad. It always looks so sad next to yours.
Plate. Big plate. Small plate makes it so much better.
Were you gonna forget?
I always forget.
Thank you. I'm gonna eat my lunch mid-bake. Let my nose bake while we eat. Bon appetit. We've made some minor changes. Not massive changes. Similar ilk. What is an ilk?
No idea.
That is the right way to use it. I just don't know. Similar ilk but different, something that's like similar to an ilk, like in the same ilk as ilk. Do you get me? We are going shopping. We're just not gonna head to London because it's just not a very nice day, and we're gonna go and see our friend Ali for dinner and drinks later. I'm getting out the house, I'm so excited. It will just give us a little bit more time with him if we don't have to come back from London. We're gonna go to TKMAXX, we're gonna go next home. Tim wants to go to PC World, and then maybe a couple other shops around. And I wanna go get a festive Costa. That'll be nice. Yeah, get some Christmas presents and maybe a couple of me presents and a couple of Tim presents. If you see anything you like, you can whack it in your stocking. So Tim's just finishing some work. Or is it work?
No.
Oh, he's playing a game. Oh.
I might win, so I want to finish. I won't win.
Tim just finishing a game. I just got dressed, very cash. Bar humbug, sweatshirt. This polo I think was from Next a couple of years ago. It used to be tight fitting on me and now it's actually a bit baggy. Doesn't fit quite as well, but I like it's kind of a festive colour scheme. And then my collusion jeans. Not very exciting. I can actually show you in the mirror. I have a mirror now, don't I? Not exciting at all. Little belt. I'm going to change my socks to these glittery bar humbug ones to match my sweatshirt. Tim has just gone back to the house for the 3rd time to go and get something. I get crap for taking too long to get ready and for forgetting things. Every time, Tim is always last to leave. Every time. I don't know how he does it. He literally has like a 3-step routine to get ready. Wash your face, brush your teeth, put your clothes on. Honestly, it takes him like 15 minutes to get ready and it takes me about an hour and a half, 2 hours. And I'm always ready first. Girls, are your boyfriends like this? It is honestly so annoying. You ready? You got everything?
Huh?
Have you got everything?
Yeah.
Are you gonna realise you've left something?
Maybe.
Maybe. Hope not. I was just telling my friends here how my get ready routine's about 2.5 hours long. Yours is about 15 minutes and you always leave after me. How do you do it?
No comment.
No comment. I honestly, it truly.
At least I ran, eh? I didn't mean to do it.
I know, but
it's because you take so long. I get like comfortable, and then I get ready really early. Then I forget.
Oh yeah, it's my fault.
Yeah, oh, completely.
Yeah, I thought so. Always is. You're gonna buy me a nice Christmas present?
Maybe. You gonna buy me a nice Christmas present?
I already have, mate. They know what you're getting.
Where are the keys?
I swear to God.
They were here.
You sat on them?
No.
I think you took them in with you.
No.
Well, you sat on them. I think you sat on them. They were on the chair. You sat on them, they're there.
Right, finally we can go. Jesus
God.
Christ.
I know. Sorry to keep you waiting. Tim's favourite place. Okay. Well, let's go have some fun, hey? First gifts. Gifted. There you go. Back to you.
Friends and family, naked angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun's
Got for us, Ems.
Some identical matching Fila trousers.
Oh yeah.
And a Fila bra. That's just a coincidence that it's all Fila. But I do need a water bottle.
Oh.
doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, what am I looking at?
Just over here. I mean, that's pretty much the same as what you've got, and then there's an orange one.
The orange one. I have to get the smile first. The sofa arrives in a few days, so.
What about these yellow ones? They're quite nice. Got ourselves a new sofa, or yourself.
I got myself another ottoman. just looking for me.
It's you.
Just looking for my dedicated page. Hang on.
Right, oh, this actually looks really fun.
Zoe Joe. Tiger. This is so funny. You guys want this? Yeah, it's outdated. Bethany Motors doing this.
Well, some of them look horrendous.
Yeah. Look at Jim. Sorry, Jim, not the best of you. So far, I've got more things for me than I have for anyone else.
Classic.
But I'm doing really well. There's a big whale. Yes, perfect fit. Look at this. Got a nice little pool here.
What did you get in the end? Just that?
And the bra.
Oh, nice.
I'm just taking back the trolley. But I got some cracking stuff. I got like 3 presents and that's it, even though this was Christmas shopping. But I got myself some really great stuff. Honestly guys, if you want some good homeware, like one-off-ish pieces, you gotta go to HomeSense. Not HomeSense, TKMAXX, which is obviously kind of like HomeSense. It's the best. That's where I got my cool lamp in my living room. It's
just having the variety I like. It's so many different things. You just something catches you off guard, like, oh shit, I really need that.
Yeah.
And then you get like a nice variety of like 10 different weird brands that you've never heard of. And occasionally one you have.
This orange ottoman, what a find. Half the price that it would be if I bought it elsewhere. I wanted an orange sofa, so having an orange footstool instead, it's great. Great. We're gonna head back. I need to push Vlogmas live. I'm sorry yesterday's vlog was a little bit late. We're gonna go meet Ali for some dinner and drinks, and I'm gonna go move some pizza. Let's go get some pizza. I hate my life.
What's the original meme that kid did?
I don't know.
He had an original one. What was it? That wasn't his original meme.
I don't know. Okay,
if you know the meme, leave a comment.
Yeah, if you know the original, let's go get some pizza. I hate my life, boys. Original meme. Comment down below. Welcome to your new home, lovely orange ottoman. So picture it, guys. Pink sofa, orange ottoman, clashing, gorgeousness. Black legs, match the black legs of the chairs. And then I found, oh, the light in here's gone again. Ugh. This light keeps going, it's pissing me off. You guys can't see now, but I got this to match the chairs. I got this coffee. This is sugar cookies. It's like a Christmassy, cinnamony coffee. For my cousin, I got this Christmas tea box. I really like this box, but I think I might take it out the box because they're in little sachets and put it in like a pretty box or something that she would actually use as like a jewelry holder or something. I needed a new water bottle for the gym, so I got this really basic one that says gym on it, but I like that it has how much water on the sides, so you can actually track how much you're drinking, because I've stopped drinking as much water and I need to start doing that again. I got a Fila sports bra, and I got the black Fila trackies that I showed you in the shop. A can opener. We got Tim's dog a couple of Christmas presents. Cute. And then a little piggy. I just did a little quick change. It's not a very exciting outfit. This body is from ASOS. It's just like a little square-necked bodysuit. These trousers, you can't really see, little corduroy number. You can definitely see the bodysuit line. Not the most flattering, but let me just unwedgify that. And then glittery black socks. We're going to meet Ali, who we've not seen since Hong Kong. So we're very excited. We've just had some drinks.
That's going in the vlog.
I didn't realise. Completely oblivious to what you were doing.
Anything like
I cannot put in what they just did. I can't do it. Anyway, we just had some drinks. We're going to Pizza Express now. And I want a pizza. Are we gonna get different pizzas, Tim?
Yeah, I want
Tim, we were gonna share one, but Tim's had 2 pints and suddenly wants his own. Shocker. So let's go get some carbs. That's a nice noise.
Good evening.
Tim and I have come home. It's like midnight. Oh my god, dinner was so good. I had a American hot when it's like got the salad in the middle. You saw it, I showed you. Tim got his favourite, what's it?
Calabrese.
Calabrese.
So good. It's like the most extra pizza they do, but it's so worth it.
It's really yummy, but it was delicious. And we had some drinks. Oh, and we watched, what was it? The documentary?
It was called Explained on Netflix, and it's by Vox. If any people watch Vox, they're a good YouTube channel. And it was about artificial meat. Yeah, it was about going vegetarian basically. It was really interesting. It was good. It was only 20 minutes as well. It was good.
Yeah, it was good. And we watched an episode of Rick and Morty, the one with the dragons.
Yeah, that was a funny one.
Very funny episode. Very much enjoyed that. So yeah, the new season's not quite on par as their usual stuff, but that one was good, and the last one was good. Yeah, I think it's just warming up. Bad. Yeah, no, it's just not. It was at such a good level at the end of the last season.
It's very much on a pedestal right now, I think, as well. I think they've got a lot of pressure, and I think they kind of need to relax back into it.
We're gonna go to bed now. See you tomorrow. Night night.